looks like fat on the outside or something.
Oh, sour. I guess I know what this is for.
Yeah.
All right.
Ah, what do we have here?
There you go.
Sugar heaven from the looks of it.
What is this? Looks like a sponge.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, first bite.
Nah, you go right ahead. Think you got more experience, yeah?
It's called Hostess. Hostess Mostess.
Oh my gosh.
Just gobble it down and walk.
Oh yeah, let's try this.
Oh!
They're okay.
Synthetic sweetness.
Yeah.
Oh, just... Chin chin.
See, it's a tasty burger. I don't know how they can eat these things.
I think the sponge is okay. It's the filling that's
It's the filling.
disgusting.
The feeling makes you
Want to gag?
gag.
Yeah.
And really have to like swallow as well.
I don't know how it can be
It's so
a
sweet, isn't it?
regular treat for anyone. It's just...
Joy.
There is no way this can be bad.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, it's Oreo, right?
Oreo.
Joy!
Joy fills.
They're quite small.
Oh, they're dinky.
That's exactly what I feel like right now. A
Okay.
lot of joy.
Mmm.
These are good.
That is
This is
that
good.
is amazing. I could have this with like basically this like cereal
Yeah.
with glass of milk.
I think actually it would be quite nice like that.
Sorry.
You're wasting the good stuff.
I know. Oh my god.
It's not really...
Yeah, no.
It doesn't do anything.
It's almost like cereal, you know?
Yeah, yeah.
But not very nice.
Joy fills, they're called.
Joy
They're
fills.
bringing me joy.
Bad cereal.
I don't like the colour.
Yeah. What the hell?
I mean, anything that's blue, like, it's no.
It's blue, guys. It's blue.
That says it all.
just looks really weird.
You can't even break it.
I know it's the same brand as the Twinkies. I have no idea what these
Yeah,
are.
it's like a... What is this? It's like a snowball or something. I forget the name.
Oh, Snowball?
This looks vile already. I'm sorry, but it's blue.
It looks like fat on the outside or something.
Okay, let's try this blue thing. Calm down.
It's like the bit of a steak that you don't
It's
want
like
to eat.
pork skin, you know? I don't know.
Oh.
I'm not a big fan.
No.
I've got that.
Yeah, actually, I had a really weird aftertaste. I don't think I can eat any more of that.
You know what? The inside is okay, but this outside blue stuff is just, it's got to go.
Actually, really tastes chemically.
Yeah, it does.
Mm.
It's not nice.
No.
I don't know what the hell that is. What the I'm sorry. Same for this.
Oh boy.
Pop-Tart?
Is that a Pop-Tart?
With the rainbow confetti on top.
Okay. I like these. I like these hairs. They're weird.
I mean, it's not bad. What I don't understand is this is someone's breakfast.
Quite like this. This is.
It looks like a 4-year-old decorated it though.
Yeah. It looks like kids would eat something.
It doesn't really do anything.
I love marshmallows. So melted marshmallow goes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good.
This one.
It's not a bad taste though. Obviously, it's quite.
Not horrible.
Yeah, it's quite a nice taste.
What?
A straw.
A straw.
I feel like this is how drugs are distributed.
Would you put this up your butt?
Oh, it could be a good game actually, like a tug of war kind of game with their mouths, you know?
Nah.
But I don't know how you open it.
Look up, I'll put it in your mouth.
Don't get on my face. That's the money shot.
I mean, they need to think about the packaging of this.
Yeah.
I mean,
I was gonna.
I don't want to fight for my
This
sleep.
is really not practical. Like, what is this? It's like sour sugar.
Oh, sour.
You know, nice try. I would say nice try.
A for effort. Toxic waste.
What the hell? Is this like Halloween sweets? You know?
Oh,
Okay.
that looks like a spice.
Toxic waste. Oh boy.
Oh, black cherry. Are there different flavors?
Blackcurrant.
Blackcurrant.
Okay, it's actually your own.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, I want black cherry.
Grape. You're gonna have to wait till I decide. It will be today.
Toxic waste. Okay, let's try this.
Okay. I'm gonna go for the blueberry.
Nice.
Oh my god, it's so sour.
I feel like it's a lozenge, like a strepsil, you know, that you have when you're sick. But very
Whoa.
sharp. Oh my god, that is so sharp.
Worse. I guess I know what this is for.
Yeah. Oh my god, wait on my nostril.
Oh my god.
How are you still going? How do you still have that in your mouth?
Oh.
Oh god.
Oh my god, the aftertaste.
Kids will love that. It's kind of fun.
Is it still sour?
It's really sour.
But you're still going?
I have it in my mouth.
How do you finish one of these? It's not possible.
Oh, it's getting better. It's getting better. You see? You tough it out and actually tastes nicer afterwards.
Now I get the name, toxic waste.
No.
The sourness is gone. It's actually just a nice, like, cherry. I'm lying. It's always sour. I'm joking. No, I'm joking. Actually, it really does get sweeter afterwards. Like,
Oh,
quite
it's going down. It's going down.
Yeah.
Ooh, yeah. This looks good.
Oh, it's gooey.
Oh, it's very gooey.
Chocolatey, biscuity, nutty,
Peanutty.
peanutty thing.
Nougat.
I like it.
It's like a. Is it a lime ball?
And it's not too chocolatey.
It's not too chocolatey, it's nutty, it's
I like that it's nutty, yeah.
And it's not rich, you know? It's not super rich.
Yeah, it's nice though.
It's good. Yeah, no.
It's good.
I think the nuts make up for it, yeah.
I like it.
I like this.
They've got different flavours of this as well.
Mike and Ike.
Mike and Ike. Oh boy. Tropical Typhoon.
They look like bullets.
Oh, I
Look
quite
at
like
that.
them,
They look
yeah.
like a bullet that goes in the gun.
Alright. That one looks like
It's so funny.
what do
Yeah,
they call
the
it?
shapes are they're all a bit funny looking.
Or like earplugs, you know,
Yeah.
wax earplugs.
Yeah, they're quite nice.
You trying the pink one, I'll
Yeah.
try the blue.
Fruity.
Yeah. I had
That? It's okay.
I had a blue one, which I'm assuming is Caribbean Punch.
They're like jelly beans. These are good.
Mike and Ike, cool.
I recommend that one.
I like it.
It wasn't so sticky.
Sticky.